Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x plus 1. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. We have x, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. First derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have the x. Next, the square root we change by u, x we change by this one, the x we change by this one. So number 2 I will put in here u and u, we have u square. Next I will add negative number 1. Later that I will put back positive number 1. U square minus 1 divided by u square minus 1, we have number 1. Next, number 2 we go back in here. Next, u square minus 1, we have number 1 square in here. So we have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one in here, we have u minus 1 and u plus 1. About number 2, we have 1 plus 1. So we put u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. Next, we can do about factorization by negative number 1. Next, u plus 1 divided by u plus 1, u minus 1 divided by u minus 1. So we have 1 over u minus 1 minus 1 over u plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 2, we have 2u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. And similar for the next one. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.